Sino mga kawa? Number 33. Ng top lane na. Pass to number 45. 45 na drive. 2 points. Number 45. Jersey number 5. Dribbling. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to number Pula. 2 points by number 27. 17, pass to 17, pass to 48, pass to 45, 45, tumalak sa, tumalak, number 13, rebound, pass to number 5, crossover, dribbling, pass to number 5, shot, oh, rebound, number 25, 2 points. Number 17, dribbling, pinababa ang bola. Pass to 48, pass to 17 again, pass to 27. Tumalak sa bola. Una rin ang 25, pass number 5, pass to number 27, pass to number 10. Foul leg, foul leg. 48, foul number 48. Number 5, dribbling. Dribbling the ball, number 5, pass to divide na number 4, number 25, pass to number 5. 3 points, no! Rebound number 17, the ball ay sumasakto, pinasa, number 48, pass break, rebound, 2 points, number 40. Number 5, dribbling the ball, pinababa, pass to number 57, sama, pass to number 5, pass to number 30. Tumira, no. Rebound number 7, Tumira, foul. Foul red, number 4, 45. 54 pula, 54. Foul number 54, sorry red. Second throw. Basket. 7, second throw. Number 17, pass to number 54. 54, kulang Japel. No, number rebound, si number 5. Diba ni number 5, tumatakbo yung tikot, nakantong ko, pinasa na sumunod. Number 23, tumatakbo. Merlino. Turnover tayo na, pare, turnover. Number 57, pass to number 5. Nagbababa ng bola, pass to number 27. 27, pass to number 57. 57, tugay, patay, pusige. Nabrigo, 45, tumatakbo na napabilis. Kaya tumigil na. Turnover again, turnover tayo, pare. Baba na, bawi na lang. Pasok na si Betran. Number 5, mag-dribble ng bola, binababa. Number 5, nagtawag ng screen, pero hindi mo lang. Error ka na yun, turnover. Rebounding na bola, number 23, Raya Morris, nasundukan. Number 54, pinasa kay 48. Uy, yun. 23, attempt for 3. Go, good. Rebound by 45. 2 points, number 45. 27, pass to number 27. Go, Danay. Go, number 23 rebound. 54. Baba muna yan, baba. Pass to number 40, pass to 70. Pass sa ilalim ni 45, reverse. Buta na. Uticos, fire to, pass 70. St. George Ball. Number 5, tumakbo, pass break. Number 25, Wilcon, Uticos, nakuha number Pasulay ka lang. 40-23, rebound. Pinasa kay 48, break back, pasok 17. 2 points. Selfish move yun, nakakagaling nun. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pinababa ang bola ng number 27, talasa, paso number 57, paso 27, attempt for 3. Shot! Rebound 45. Pass break again. Ulit. Number 5, dribbling. Dribbling, crossover. Uy! Nakasilaya. 2 points. Number 5. Number 48, attempt for 3. Gandang team. Ready for sample tayo ulit. Number 5, pass 27. Kaya 32 points. Number 27. Number 17, pass to number 54, pass 17, 2 points. Oras po natin, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 10-9, lamang Asul. 57. Nasa kay number 13, attempted. Pass pinasa, level for something. Pass to number 5, go. 54, pinasa 33. Ang malatawa naman, pero pinasa, pass break. Out of bound. Turnover, regular shot, number. Anong napapasok, robot na lalabas. Kaya doon sa committee sa naglilista, nasinisipan. Inbound by number 27. Pass to number 91. Pass to number 27. Last pass to 91. Pass to number 27. Lumela. 2 points. Nakakawin na galaw doon. Number 17. Pinapag ang bola. Pinasa kay number 23. Number 23. Pinasa kay 17. Pinasa kay 48. Fake. Pasa kay 45. Kumanda. Wala. Na-rebound. Pagkawan. Number 4 yan. Kain na. Nice steal. 48. Attempted for 3. Attempt for 3. No. Rebound team. 91. Pinasa kay 77. 38. Number 85. Nagkatya. Uy! Only kanan. 23. Dribbling. Dribble. Pass 17 na Morris. Pass to 48. Pass to 23. Bumagka. Asimutan na foul. Who's foul red? Number 40. Number 9 na. Number 9. Sorry. Number 91. Number 91. So, big goal out. First attempt of line. Second attempt. Ready jumper. Of line. Shoot. Baba. Second attempt. Wala. Naribang ni 45. Tumira. Butata. Pinasa 48. Tumipad. 2 points. Number 48. Wow. Mag-defense player. Pagkanalo. Ang galing na ito. Number 27. Pinasa kay number 91. Tumalagsak. Pinasa kay 27. Nasusutan na offer niya. Pinasa kay number 25. 2 points sa number 25. Number 17. Number 17. Dribbling. Pass to number 23. Kalmaran down. Naghanap ng pamusahan. Pasok po. Pass 2. 17, ayun! Lupit mo! Ang Morris! 17, 2 points. Number 25, pinasay, number 57. Saka. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 91. Pass to 91. And to shoot! Ay sila! Ay to shoot! Nagawan, pass break! Kaya Morris! 7, nagkada, pinagda, nakuha ng number. Wala. Tumira ang 2 points, number 25, 2 points. 15 to shoot po. 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, rebounding. Pass to. Number 4, 93. Pinasa, nakawan. Nakawan number 25. Pinasa, number 91. Tumatakbo na. Number 27. Number 91. Lumera. 2-4. Oras natin. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 9-17. Tusobel. Papunta. Then, tumira. Di ba tumira? Pinasa pa lang. Nasusunod. Nakuha ni 23. 23 Merino. The dribble. Pumasok. Pinasakay. 45 at 17. Nakuha rin. Step for 2. Go. Rebound 3. 25. Nasusunod. Nakuha ni 23. Tumalak sa outpost. Step for 3. Go. Rebound 25. Nakuha rin. Stop play pa rin. Foul. Who's foul rin? Total rep, 45 pound. Si Kuya lang pilit. Supply ang first row. Si Hardboy. Second row. Second natin. Basket. Lista mo na yan. 45 seconds. Nagalami sa first quarter. Nakali. Ako ni 48. Takbo. Napakabilis. 70. Crossover. Pinasa sa 54. Napinawan. Natulas daw. Number 91. Tumatakbo. Napakabilis. No? Kaso kay number 45. Ako 91. Napakabilis. Ako ni number 7. Ako Tempo. 19 seconds. Ang nalalabi sa first quarter. 15 to shoot. 10. 7. Bongga. Wala. 3. 2. Score natin nagtatapos sa 21-15. Lamang ang St. Joe ng Ali. Number 4, inbounding the ball. Play. Number 4, pinasa kay number 15. Beltran. Crossover to right, pinasa kay number 00. 2 points, number 00. Number mo, tingmain na. Number 22, pass to number 13. Tumalagsak. Taas ang paa, 2 points, number 13. Number 15, napapit ni Deveni, number 15. Pinasakay sa tatak na rin. Number 0. Number 4, nakuha ko lang. Tumirat, taslang 2 points, number 4. Number 22, pinababa ko lang na number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 20. Tumira na 3. Wala, nakuha naman yung number 91. Number 91, pass to number 22. Attempt for 3, napakalayo. Tuloy. Rebound. Beltran, tumatakbo na pabilis. Pinasakay, number 4. Tinira, 2 ball. Number 22. Pinababa ko lang number 22. Pass to 91, Domingo. Pass to number 22. Madalang pasok. Meron tayo yan. Over tayo. Over. Pero wala po. Wala naman. St. Joe. 23, 21. Napabilis talaga. Beltran, number 15. Sumuray. Foul. Good ball rin. Number 10. Number 10 pa. First inbound. Personal foul. First attempt, Sablay. Yari ka. Second throw, Beltran, number 15. Ngiti ka muna sa pitik. Shoot mo yan, sayang ang pitik. Marslak, number 13 rebound. Pass number 91, pass number 22. Dribbling naman, binababa. Pass number 20. Pass number 13. Nagkada na naman. Balon. Nawa number 4, Carlos. Beltran. Pass number 9. Cobra Williams. Number 71, matakbo. Set down. Bilisan mo. Malda. Nahapakan ng kalawa doon. Short lang. Beltran. Pinababa ang bola. Tapos pilit. Tumalaksak. Pinasa bola. Lalu Beltran. Tatap Tumira. 2 points. Number 0. Set boys. 2 points. All 23 na po ang laban. And to shoot! I still number 9, lilipat, nasa balay nata. Umayos nata, 2 points. 0-0, 2 points. Number 22, pass to number 91. Nakusogan na sulungan. Ako, pass to number 22. 2 balls, number 22. Nakukohi. Number 15, tinawag ko na. Ready for time out? St. John. 0-0, pass to number 44. Stop, wala, number 22, masuk mo. Masuk number 13. Masuk, wall ulit. Take the ball, number 22, Tumira. Go, number 13, Tumira, apply. Number 4, pull up Japan. Go. Nakuha niya pa rin. Out of bounds.
Rest.
Ang ating score ay parehas. 25. Ang oras natin 27. Ito ang bola ng pasok. Nagawa ni number 4. Pasok. Kapilit. Tulog ka. Pinasakay. Break by number 20. Atep. Pasok kayo na number 67. Tuhan number 67 sa Beltran. Dribbling na ball. Beltran. Sober, pull up jumper. Go, revival from the foul. Who's foul it? 20. 15. Number 15 pala, sorry. Apply, 45. Apply ang first cross, apply. Ready, jumper. Basket, zero. Number 5, saving the ball. Number 5. Pinasakay number 20. Number 5, pass to 67. Bumangga, tumira. 15, bumaba. Pinasakay number 4, walang jump sa gitna. 2 points, number 4. Number 27, napakabilis. Pinasakay number 5, tumingo-tingo, speed, 2 points. 2 points. Sponsored by Durex, number 5, 2 points. Number 15. Batu 0-0, Batu 45. Sundulan, nakali. Number 8. Out. Double 3 ball. Tayo dyan, double 3 ball. Tablet, pasok. Pasok. Lumos na lalabas. Rebounding, number 27, pass number 5. Number 5. Pass number 5, crossover. Oh, upset, layup. So, number 15, Beltran. Pass to number 9, blue boy. Beltran. Diana. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5, Trinidad. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 7, go. 15, pass to number 5, pass to, tinira pa na niya. Go! Rebound niya balik, pass to number 15. Big drive, in. 2-1, 5, number 15, Beltran. Takbong Pogi, bola. Beltran. Live. 15. Dribbling the ball. Takbong bayan na. Sabi nyo. Pagdating. Number 9. Pinasa. 2 points. Number 9. 21st natin. Number 5. Trinidad. Dribbling the ball. 21st level. Number 5. 6-7, go! Nakuha din, lahat. Time out muna. Time out. Top play na. Okay, number 15, dribbling the ball, binababa ko ng number 15. Number 15, pass to number 4. Big shot. Go! Rebounding. Number 5. Rebound number 5. Nasa kay number 25. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 42. Buhat ako. Number 45. Tumira ulit. 42. Isi basket pa. 2 points. Number 5. Number 5, nagawa ng bola, pass sa gitna. Out of bounds, take ball. Rebounding number 57, pass number 57, no. Rebound number 4, tumatakbo ng pabilis. Batakbo, nasundutan. Number 5, nasundutan. Number 5, drive, pass sa kanya, number 7, 2 points, number 7. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 15, sinulang. Pasok, number 2 points, number 42. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 5, Trinidad. Pass to, then shoot. 7, play, and shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Wala. Assist. 4. Number 4. Pinasay number 15. Assist. Driving. 2 points. Number 15. Beltran. Takbong Pogi. Bola. Agawan. Number 5. Pass to number 45. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. 2 points, 45. 25 seconds. Nagsyasya. Nasundutan, nakuha naman number 25. Pass number 5, tumira 3 points. 3 points, number 5. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Ada lang maririnig nyo. Ang score. pass to number 5. To right. Oh, number 27. No. Rebound to number 45. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 48. 48. Rebound. We move now. Number 2 points. Or 5. Last. Dalawa lang pagpatagalan. Number 5. Pass to number 57. 57. Distracted. Pass to number 7. Number 2. Right. Number 2. Tumira ka lima. Foul number 23. Foul. Pushing foul number 23. Impounding number 25. Pass to number 5. Attempted but failed. Pass number 2. Pass to number 25. No. Rebound number 45. Pass to 17. Amores tumatakbo. Napakbilis. Amores. Pass to 48. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 23. Third over. Green ball. Number 5. Binababa. Dribbling the ball. Number 5. Naganap. Pass to 7. Pass to 25. Pass to number 2. Pull-up jumper. No. Rebound to 25 again. Sinira. No. Rebound to 17. 17. Tumatakbo. Pinasa ng 14. Nasa 17. Nasa number 2. May awan ulit, number 4. Subira. Go. Rebound number 2. Number 5. Pass to number 57. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 2. Malto. October. Nakuha number 2. Nakuha number 2. Merito. Nasugan. Nakuha. Second number. Pull-up jumper. No. Rebound number 2. Pass to nasusugan na number 48. 48. Susan Gero. 15 to shoot. 23. 2 points. Number 23. Score natin 46-34. Namang nakulang 12. Blue boys. Number 5. Pass to 25. Pass to number 27. Attempt. No. Number 4. Pass to number 48. Ipapatuloy ang 48. Pinasa na sumunod. Sumunod number 5. Pass to number 2. Pull-up jumper. 46 supply. Nakuha yung 7. 2 points. 23. Deeply. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 23. Number 23, dribbling. Minutikot. Pass to number 28. Attempt for 3. Sobra. Nasusunod number 17. Save ball. Green ball. Number 2. Pass to number 5. Dribbling for ball. Pass to number 27. Pass to 25. Tumira ang pabaliktad. Sablay, number 7. No! 25. No! Tatabi. Number 48. Number 48. 2 goals. Number 27. Sinababa yung number 27. 24 Sabret. Number 5. Tumira. Go! Number 23. Down. Nawala. Pass to number 48. Pass to number 23. Pasok. Whatsapp. 2 balls. Number 23. Number 5. 23. Score natin. 50-36. Namuna na 14 ang blue ball. Wala. Nakuha number 4. Nasusunod number 2. Number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 7. Rehab. 2 points. Pass to 45. Number 17. Pass to 45. Hard ball. napakabilis! Well, time out na. Stop. Pasok na, ganda. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 57. Tumalak na. Foul. Sinong foul dyan? Number 15. 15. Beltran. Foul ka muna, Pogi. Oh, basket. Opponent. Ready for stop. Pasok, lumabas na, lumabas. Lalabas. 15, dribbling the ball, 15, pass to number 48, pass to 23. 10 to shoot, pass to 45. 5 to shoot! Dito mawawa na rin ang team. Number 5, bounding. Number 91, dribbling. Number 91, pass to number... Number 7, go! Rebound, see. Number 91, make it with the blue boy. Time out, blue boy. Adel, napunta. Bounding, pass to number 15. Number 15. Paso number 48. Number 42. 2 points. Number 42. Number 22. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 91. Domingo. Paso na. It's 7. Malaksa. 2 points. Foul. Let's count it. Foul number 42. Bonus shot. Basket. Number 15, pass to 48, go. Attempt for 3. 3 points. Number 40. Number 5, pass to 91. Oras natin 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Score natin 55-45. Pass to number 5. Attempt for 3. Go. Rebound in number 3. Pass to 40. Walang pinasahan. Kung sa kalabang pinasahan. Ayo. Dribbling ka po. Number 32, pass number 21. 21, pass to 57. Pass to 25. Tumira. 2 points. 15, number 15, number 15. Pass to 40. Attempt for 3. 3 points. Number 48. Number 22. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 5. Number 3. 3 points. Number 5. Number 42. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 23. Tumalang sakto. Tatay. Wala. Number 25. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 21. Pass to 5. Pass to number 5. Wala. Number 21. 3 points. Oh. Tama ni Betty. Besar. Opo. Palinduran. Nabuto. Napapabilis. Tumalang sakto. Then, nasa Good luck, good luck, good luck. 5, pass 22, attempt for 3. Walang tinamaan, pare. Batil, batil. Pass 23, libre ba? Libre nga. Come on. 92, walang daw. Ito na. Pass 2, number 5, attempt for 3. Get it, ball, wala. Ako si Boss ni 25. Pass 2, number 5. Pass 91. Sino pa rin doon? 42 balls, 42. Napakalakas, dahilig. Second personal foul, warning for penalty na kayo, 2 boys. First draw. First draw. Basket. Second draw. Basket. All natin. 42 seconds. Nalalapin sa ating third quarter. Number 15, number 15, number 3. Iyakan na lang. Balito. 85, pass 22. Pass to, number 5. Ikot-ikot, bumangka, pass number 22. Tapos, sa'yo na, pare. Number 5, nakakawan number 48. 48. Pass to 45. 2 points. 5 points, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basta na lang maririnig nyo. Ang ating last game, M-Town versus Rehoboth. Tawag ng blue, dalawa, tawag ng green, tatlo. Number 17, Amores, Pato 48, attempt for 3. Go, Vivo de Amores. Pasto number 45. Tumira, lumuwa. Amores, Amores, tumira. Beltran, 10 to shoot. Bola batay. 5 to shoot. 25, pass 2, 91, diretso na wala. 91, pass 2, 25, Mirado, 25. Pasto Amores, lumipad. Sobra niya, pare. Ako sa ulo, Roman. Number 20, pass number 91. 91 to right, nakuha number 9. Pass to number 15. Number 15, pinasalasin. Turnover, pare. Natuhod ang bola. Ano po siya? Pala sa tayo sa headball. Number 27, Binamo Marcola. Pass to 20, pass to number 5, tumira 3. Short. Pass to 15. 15. Shot lang muna na eh. And to shoot. Bubuhan number 9. Akong po yung lang. Number 5, pass to number 20. Tumira 3. Tapos, sayang. Out of bounds. Bawin na bola number 9. Pass to number 20. 15, pass to 17, pass to number 9. Pass to number 15 again, pass to number 17. Pass to number 9, attempt for 3. 27, Agawa 27, Agawa number 28, 28, 28, sila sa number, Letran reverse, 2 points. Time out po, ready po time out. Green team. Number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5. Pass to number 27, attempt, no. Rebound ni Amores, 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 Amores. Amores, pass to 15, Letran. Teka lang daw, sabi ni Kuya number 9. 15 to shoot, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Dubila, sunod sa mga kalpas. Score natin, 71-54, lamang na. Number 5, dribbling the ball, binaba na bola. Number 5, pass to number 20. Mali yan, attempt 4. Go! Ball number 7, reverse. Number 48, 48, 48, 48, tumatak sa mga kabilis, pinasakay. Number 15, wala. Pagkas, pinakuha. Number 13. 13. Number 5, sunod. Sino po ulit? Wala. Equal pala, equal, sorry. 27, pass to number 5, good right. Foul ulit. Number 48, foul. 48, foul. 18 to shoot tayo. 18 to shoot, 18 to shoot. Pass to 7, pass to number 5. Number 5 and number 3, get it foul. Bam! 3 points. Number 15, binawa, dribbling. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 17. Pass to number 00, tata! Wala, natapigan si Nakawa, number 13, Nakawa. Nakawa number 5, pass to number 27. Tumalak sa, back! 17, rebound, Amores. Yan Amores, pass to number 4. Ready for start, number 20, dribbling the ball. Pass number 5, pass number 57. Number 3, Manto. 13, pass to 27, 27, pass to 13, pass to 27, attempt for 3. Wala na, ako ang score, bola. 17. 17. Pass to 15. Ready for the fire? 57. Wow, number 15, the veteran. Napagod na, T-Ring. Napakabilis kasi. Point guard. Point nila, point guard. Rebounding, number 5. Pass to number 27. 27, pass to number 57. Oh, Bege, bukas. Wala, number 13, nagtabihan. Ako number 20, Balian. Attempt for 2. Go! First number 3 minutes 30 seconds. Goal 78-25 from Blue Boy. Pass to 24. Tumira na. Nakuha number 5. Number 5 nagchacha. Upset. Kaya sa kay Coach Elroy. Number 27. Go! 2. Pass to number 48. 48, ubus kami. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Okay. 2 points, number 42. Number 5, pass to 57, mga foul. Number 23, pushing foul ka, kuya. Pushing foul, number 23. Second personal foul, third team foul. Pasok na, papasok, tapos na lalabas. First row. Second row. 45 rebounds. Pass to number 4. Number 4, Asila. Pass to number 14, pass to Merino, number 23. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 4. 2 points. Two minutes and 15 seconds. Scoring 255. Now blue boys. Rebound number 2. Okay, tama na number 2 pa rin. Number 2 from back fake shot. Bato. Scoring 7 man 2 boys. That's good. Number 4 to Soper. Pass number 45. Number 5 to rebound. Number 5, pass number 20, Maria, number 2. Wala talaga, malas talaga, yung malas. Number 4, pass number 42, Lumeya. Pasok, pasok. Pasok ba, pasok yan, ha? Pasok na, papasok, tapos na, diba? Oras natin, 1 minute, 38 seconds. Number 5. Number 2. Go. Rebound number 44. Pass to out of bounds. Green ball. Pass to 20. Attempt for 3. No. Rebound number 33. Pass to 33. 33. Pass to number 45. Pass number 4, Asila, go. Rebound number 42, pass to 44, Carlos N. Go. Rebound number 5, goal pass break. Counter dyan. Di ba lang? Number 5 na po. Basta last game natin, down, number 2 play open. Mag-ready na po. Number 23, binababa, dribbling. 23. Pass to 44, Carlos. Kumalaktak to rin sa gitna, Balto. Kuha niya pa rin. Pass to number 4, nagkaroon ng papasahan. Nakuha ni. Attempt for 3, 42. Go, Balto. Kuha na number 45. And to shoot. Number 42, 3. 18 seconds. 15. 20. Go.